What do you think they're going to try to do?
Well, a lot of teams run the block flat. They ask somebody to block. They throw the ball in the flat. You try to get a 4 or 5 yard gains and a clock stoppage. But it's risky business with no timeouts. There's no question. It's risky business, but they have a play, I'm sure, designed. I personally would let Walsh kick it. Going to throw the ball in the flat quickly, and
now they're going to bring Walsh out now.
Yep.
Of course, Blair Walsh, best known for his pivotal missed field goal in the wild card game a couple of years ago for Minnesota against Seattle. Missed a 27-yarder with 26 seconds to go, and Seattle won 10-9, shockingly. 52-yard try to tie it and send it almost certainly to overtime. Blair Walsh straight down the middle and short. Well, he has a big leg, but didn't catch enough of that one.
Just short.
And now you know why perhaps Pete Carroll is going to try that play to get him 3 or 4 yards closer. This is a guy who's made a lot of 50-plus field goals in his career. Hasn't attempted one beyond 50 this year. Lee said career long of 56. He's made 2 54-yarders, a 55-yarder in the past, and